cute. Let me go ahead and get a little closer though.
Okay.
I don't really care for your fucked up style, like you haven't talked to a human in a while. Fake from the front to back and profile, little strangers back and buck wild. I don't really care for your fucked up flow. Take it on the chin if you feel so low. How you gonna win if you ain't right within? Little strangers back and here we go. The stranger you can be. Listening to a whistling solo that gets par for the course, but of course there's some horses stuck inside these Porsches. Vroom, vroom. Can you check my sources? Hell no, I'm elbow deep in the no-fly zone. Call little Bo Peep and tell her I found her your sheep, rounded them up and made a sweater of fleece. I made a better cheddar cheese from an alien sneeze. So tell the president the revolution is dairy free. Come on, yeah, ain't that enough? All you silly Sally salivating all of my stuff. I need a puff, not a daddy, just a fatty's enough. So cut the rug with these rats that you happen to love.
So I'm fucking going. Alright? Then either do that one, or I want you to hit the 2 over, where it kind of curves off to the right, and then it has that little bit of a hump at the top. It's either to the right. To the right. So the one you went up, okay, count 2 over, and it kind of goes up, then it curves to the right a little bit, and then it has that hump at the top. Either I want you to do that full throttle, or I want you to be able to hit that. Your choice. Well, I'm going to film it. That's what I'm filming. Okay, well, we got to make it quick, because I'm going to get some build down here, then I'm going to go up there,